Being the representative of people of Vijayawada and also the president of Andhra Cricket Association, it's a great pride. I support this important bill. This landmark legislation under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and dedicated efforts of our Honorable Youth and Sports Affairs Minister, Sri Manshukh Mandaviya ji, will help India to move towards the becoming a true sports nation. This bill, the new Khelo Bharat Niti 2025, is a bold and inclusive plan to and aim to make sports a part of daily life and encourage sports startups and promote participation from the grassroots, especially in villages among women and economically weaker sections. To build upon this movement and create a future defined by transparency, fairness, and excellence, the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 is a timely legislation. This bill addresses long-standing issues that have affected Indian sports, such as mismanagement, internal power struggles. A key feature of this bill is establishment of National Sports Board. This institute will have authority to recognize and monitor, if necessarily suspend or cancel the recognition of sports federations. They will ensure accountability by maintaining detailed records and investigation by misuse of public funds. The bill also introduced National Sports Selection Panel to guarantee fair election in all sport bodies. These bodies will require to adopt strict code of conduct of ethics. These steps will prevent uninfluenced, improve the internal functioning and protect the integrity of sports administration, especially the important focus on the athletic protection and welfare. This bill mandates safety sports policy, ensuring safety of women and minors. Every recognized sports body will be required to set up an internal grievance redressal system and to address the concerns. One of the most progressive provisions of the bill is creation of National Sports Tribunal headed by the former Supreme Court judge and High Court judges. This independent body will deal exclusively with the sports-related issues. It will offer faster, more and affordable expert resolution. This is one of the such body which has already following the principles of mentioned in this bill. I will be proud to be the member of that organization which stands a strong example for other sporting bodies in the country. The PCCI runs independently and is financially self-sufficient and operates through its own resources without government support. By building a necessary sports infrastructure, BCCI has brought many talented cricketers from rural areas. It is appreciable that the government through this bill has exempted such self-sustaining sport bodies and from the federations from the preview of RTI Act. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Nara Chandrababu Naidu, who is actively focusing on the development of sports. During his regime as a combined Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he has provided stadiums, multiple training academies, and also conducted national and Afro-Asian games, which made Hyderabad into the sports hub of one of the sports hub of India. Presently, my state has announced the best sports policy in the country, under which there is a 3% horizontal reservation in the government jobs and sportsmen and also offers highest financial rewards for the national and international players for the national and international medalists. In addition to that, our Honorable Chief Minister has an ambitious plan to develop a world-class sports city in the capital region of Amaravati, which will make Andhra Pradesh national hub of sports by 2029. In addition to this important government bill, I would like to thank that Honorable Prime Minister for Khelo India scheme. I believe that under this scheme we would focus on 2 and 3-tier cities where which immense untapped sports talent. For instance, in my constituency of Vijayawada, proudly I would like to say many national games were conducted and also being conducted. I would like to therefore humbly request the central government to approve proposals submitted for the Khelo India sports in the 2-tier and 3-tier cities. Taking to the grassroots rural sports development, I would like to highlight the vision of our younger, dynamic, forward-thinking leader, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, who is ensuring every government school has a playground and conducts an annual sports event. So, I conclude by urging the House to pass this bill and give the youth and environment and resources and opportunities there truly is there. Let's make sports lead a way a stronger, united and healthier India. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्य श्री गणेश सिंह जी।
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय।